So I am ready. I don't know how well you can hear me. So yeah, I'm basically in a light blue Star today with my Gap, and yeah, just my basic clothes. Heading back to Auckland today, and we're just about to load up our car and see if there's anywhere else we can go right before we, you know, head back. So yeah, that's the situation. चलो इधर वापस इधर आके उधर हो जाना ओके तेरी क्या नाम क्या रश नहीं करते अपनी गड्डी का और बाली खिंच गई सी एकदम I know she did what you're all allergic yep I'm like sibling problems Sit down. Left? Turning something like that. Anu kaya di jagah pe nikalna na mera sama das. Not gonna lie, Wellington's pretty pretty. I know. I told you. So
what does Troy mean? And what's the XY next to it?
No idea. That's Parliament. Wait, there.
Just
there. Do you see it? Cool. Thank you, Kaboo. And this is Wellington City. Ridiculously parking. I think this is a reserve bank. Probably. It's the main and biggest bank. Oh really? In New Zealand. Wow.
पसंद नहीं आए बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आए मुझे तो क्या बकवास सी कॉफी लाके दी है मेरे को
पीली कॉफी
नहीं कॉफी चॉकलेट हाँ
किरी कॉफी
चॉकलेट सी मतलब कैरामल पीली नहीं सी पर कॉफी पीली मैं क्या नहीं कॉफी पीली नहीं सी कॉफी चॉकलेट कलर दी सी
हजे नहीं समझ लगे
तो यार तूने उल्लू दी पट्टी है
मुझे ना तुम्हारा थोपड़ा पसंद नहीं आया
You said Beely coffee, huh?
Right.
As in you drank it, but then there's another meaning to it, like Beely as in yellow.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਲੱਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ
ਸੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੈਲਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਪਏ ਸੀਗਾ ਸੀ ਉੱਤੇ
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਰੌਲਾ ਵੀ ਪਾਇਆ
ਮੇਰੇ ਰੋਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੀਏ
ਉੱਚੀ ਦੇਣਾ ਕਿਆ
ਉੱਚੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੰਦੀ ਆ ਕੁੜੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ
ਲੈ ਸੱਚੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਸੀਗੀ ਅੱਗੇ
ਇਹ ਉਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ यो शेर आ गया 3-4 ਵਾਰੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਅਸਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਗਿਆ
ਲੈ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਆ ਗਈ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਬੈਲਟਾ ਲਾ ਲਓ ਸਕੈਂਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਦੇਖਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ
ਮੈਂ ਕੌਣ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਭੁਲੇਖਾ ਵੀ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਗਲਾਸ ਕੱਢ ਹੋਏ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਮੁੱਕਰ ਨਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਜ਼ਬਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਮੁੱਛ ਰੱਖਣੇ ਦਾ ਹੱਕਦਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ
Right guys, so we're on our way to Rotorua, something like that. No idea, don't even ask me. But yeah, we stopped at a petrol station just to check everything. The car's running fine. It's been running fine so far, so just checking everything, still fine. Going to the toilet and stuff, and you know, topping up. But yeah, on the way, there was like a stop of the police were stopping and checking the cars. These guys didn't have their belts on, so we literally had to get them to check. I was like screaming at them, put your belts on. By the time we got to the police, they still didn't have their belts on.
Num num num
Num num num.
num num num
Num num.
num num.
And luckily we just got a warning and got away with it.
We got what?
You know when the guys didn't put their belts on and I told them to put their belts on? I'm just telling them about that. I was like, guys, please put your belts on, and they were like
And 1 kilometer later, still not.
and the guy was so pissed. And he was like, put your bloody belts on, and we were just like, okay. I mean, us two had our belts on, but the guys didn't, in the back. So yeah, they couldn't even find the belt. We've got an hour left, and then Rotorua, and then another 2 hours, Hannah, and then we're back. What's the time? Chat dinner with you?
5:30.
It's 5:30.
How does that look like the energy?
Oh my god, we're not gonna get the energy. Alright, it's 5:30. We'll get home at like 8, 9.
Yeah, hopefully. Have you got my phone? Shankle.
Rotorua, time for food.
Olives. And what was your mix? Sweet chili. Yep, you too. Wait, are you recording?
गंधवन वाले या हैगा और खुंजर दे या जाके वो आ गया.
After how many hours?
5, 6, maybe 7. ਭੂਤ ਤਾਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਇੱਥੇ.
अरे साडी मोरी करिया जांदा.
Right, I'm near the shed.
Well, no, you gotta help me find them.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo man, this is more difficult than I thought. They can't catch you though.
They can. If they catch me, then
Guys, make a sound. We made it. Today we made it. Right guys, so we basically reached Auckland. It's like now 1 o'clock, so we reached an hour ago. But yeah, tomorrow should be a chill day. So yeah, it should balance out our sleeping schedule. But yeah, look, I got a bit last night. Do you see all those bite marks? So I got 4 bites on my hand and they're super itchy. I think I got bit last night when I was asleep. But yeah, I wasn't expecting the burns. So yeah, anyways, Yeah, so we went to Redwood, and we went around the forest, started playing hide and seek, because, you know, why not? Then yeah, we drove back, and that's basically it for the day. It was a lot of driving mainly, but yeah, time to sleep now. Anyways, until tomorrow, bye!